And we got the famous fly tipping arseholes there. What's the point of coming all the way up here? And I mean all the way up here. If you can see there. Not the brightest of days. This is called Timbalum. They would have come in handy. No hard drive. Oh, there is hard drive in there as well. So we'll take it home with us and we'll have a look. We'll have a look if there's anything on the hard drive. It's an Acer. Nothing else. Nothing else. I'm not going through black bags. Somebody have, but it just looks like rubbish. Normal every day. And 2 streamers. Obviously no good. So they come all the way up here to dump that. So as you see, people don't give a toot no more, do they? They don't give a toot. This is what I got on that computer, which I just found up the Timbalum, which was a card reader, which is pretty good, a fan just in case, and the hard drive, which is a SCSI. So we're going to take this hard drive out. Let it stop spinning. That hard drive comes out. We'll put it down there. Now we'll get the hard drive we just found. Now obviously there should be probably a Windows. It's not worth having because it's a crock of shit, but we'll see if we can find an address on here, is there? Oh, well, it booted up straight away. We got systems reserve on a local disk. Right, local disk. Users. Windows. You don't have permission to access this folder. Yes, I do. How dare you say I don't have access? So we'll just have a quick scrounge through. As you see, it was, I should think it, yeah, it was a Windows operating systems drive. It wasn't a spare, and plus it's only 80 gigs, so it's not worth a gnat's cockle onion. So what we'll do is we will, probably full of viruses, and then attacks mine now and kills mine off. Right, let me just search the file first. Search this for TXT files. There we go. This is what we got. Mrs. Pierce. The 2011-06. There's dark photos, we don't want to go to there. There you go. So I presume, we're never going to prove it obviously, but I presume this is the owner of this thing. And that's not our transporter bridge. So I'm sure that's not ours. No, ours haven't got that on there. No, that's not ours. So somebody's birthday. So this is all the birthday things going on here. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a WC. Okay. So we don't want to. There's loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of pictures on here of whenever they went on their holidays. So it's weird how this computer ended up Timberland as a fly tip. And it says Mrs. Pierce. Now it says Stiff. Birthday. So obviously that's still the 60th birthday. Mobile pics, which is a lot of kiddies. I don't want to be showing them, but still that lady there. So is it Pierce? I don't recognize anybody. So it just goes to prove, even though they thought he was dead, that computer was still actually alive. More pictures of kids we won't want to show. It seems to be her every time, so I assume that is PS. It says my picture there, so my picture is that one, which is definitely her again. Look, it's only 80 gigs, so it's not worth keeping, obviously. It's a crock of baloney. And there it is there. Users, public. And there you have it. Look. This computer used to belong to, I believe, all invoices on you. Newcastle letter. There you are, Mrs. Pierce. I would like to withdraw £2,000 from my account. I would like it transferred to my nominee. Nice one. Nursing home, TV license. So that's obviously where it come from, innit? I won't let you read all this, keeper, but It wouldn't be much to be a spy, would it? Desktop. What are you got on desktop? Mrs. Pierce's backup. Mrs. Pierce backups. Pictures. Oh, here we go. Pictures galore. That's dark. Hang about. Let's go to 60th birthday. Oh, look. Which one is you? There's 60th. Pierce. Right, I don't want to flick through all these. Oh, look at that cake. We don't want to flick through all these. Let's see if I recognise that pub. Oh no, I'd say no. So, with this computer, there was about, well, you saw, didn't you? You was there with me. Don't have to tell you all again. Should we do a separate little video for this? P.S.